Floki Inu's recent downtrend has persisted into the weekend, raising eyebrows as the meme coin's place in this bull cycle comes under question. Bullish Floki price projections appear to be showing cracks as the meme coin seemingly struggles to garner any significant momentum today, down 0.14%, seemingly defeated by the week's 12.85% decline. An issue that seems all the more worrying considering the notable discrepancy compared to the rally seen from other prominent meme coins. While Floki has seen a 58.02% increase over the past month, it has been outpaced by others in the space. Indeed, interest in Floki appears to have waned somewhat this cycle. As trading volume surges 25% reach ING 407 million today, it seems holders are jumping ship. Floki price prediction: can Floki catch up? While the past month has been disappointing so far, Floki appears to be playing catch-up as technical indicators lend to a potential rally. The upside so far this month could be part of a wider breakout, guided by a symmetrical triangle pattern formed against the support trend line that has garnered Floki's lows so far this year. While the breakout seems to have come to a standstill, a fully materialized pattern sets sights on a price target around $0.0036650, in line with the resistance trend line that has marked Floki's highs over the same period. With this almost 70% increase from current prices, Floki would match the growth seen by its biggest competitors so far this month. This potential rally seems all the more credible following a bullish golden cross last week, as the 50 SMA surpassed the 200 SMA, bolstering Floki's bullish trajectory running into 2025. The next move up may come sooner rather than later as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, appears to have leveled out at 56 after its stint in oversold territory at 80 just 2 weeks ago. However, the bulls have yet to affirm control over the Floki price trajectory as the MACD line maintains its position below the signal line. The downside could continue into next week. Is Floki really the play this cycle? With all this in mind, the question still remains, is Floki really the play this cycle? After all, by the time Floki reaches its target, its competitors will likely have already seen rallies of their own and raised the bar. Therefore, it's no surprise that investors are looking elsewhere in search of meme coins with the potential for bigger and faster gains. Notably, Crypto All Stars, STARS, has been garnering particular attention, pioneering the industry's first meme coin staking platform. The Meme Vault brings together the entire meme coin community under the Crypto All Stars umbrella, staking to earn rewards in the project's native token, STARS. This allows the most dedicated meme coin holders to stay true to their favorite coins while capitalizing on the gains staking offers. Something which may be credited to the project's instant success, raising over $7 million in its pre-sale already. Investors who passed thus far are already kicking themselves, especially as Dollar Stars itself offers one of the best passive income opportunities right now with a substantial 293% APY. While the market has suffered under recent volatility, early All-Star investors have been raking in consistent gains. While it's not too late yet, the opportunity is fleeting. With the presale nearing its end in just under 20 days, the window to take action is closing fast.